Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add story highlight on your Facebook profile. Alright guys, first of all, go to your Facebook application on your phone, and after you have your Facebook application opened, you can tap on this button. Then you can select the see your profile option right here. Then just tap on the three dots button on your profile. Okay, and there will be several options for you, and you can select the archive option. Then let's just choose the story archive because we want to add a story highlight. Then you can just select the story you want to make it as highlight, and I'm going to select this one. Tap on the story, and then you can click on feature option. Then just add the title for your story highlight. And I'm going to add this one. You can also add more photos to your story highlight. You can tap on add more right here. But if you want to skip this tab, you just need to click on save. Okay, and now the story highlight will be appeared on our Facebook profile. So we just need to go back to our Facebook profile. Okay, and just click on about right here, and this is the story highlight. Alright guys, and that's how we can create story highlight on Facebook. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.